The bending moment at a section will be positive if it tends to bend the beam in a manner such that it can retain water on its curvature, that is concavity at the top as shown in figure. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you the concept of shear force and bending moment. So before watching the tutorial, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future. Now let's start with our today's topic. When a beam is subjected to a set of loads and reactions as a result of which the internal forces and moments tend to set up within the beam, this internal force is the shear force and the internal moments are the bending moments. For illustration, let's consider a beam with a given set of loading P1, P2 and P3 supported at 2 points A and B, giving rise to reactions at the two supports R1 and R2. Now let's cut this beam into two parts, this left portion and this right portion. The left portion having loads P1, P2 as point loads and this support reaction R1, while as this right portion having P3 as UDL and this support reaction R2. Let's assume that the resultant of loads and reactions to the left of this section XX is vertically upwards and equal to this capital F. For equilibrium of this section, the resultant of loads and reactions to the right of the section XX has to be equal to capital F, but vertically downwards. This force is known as shear force. Hence, shear force may be defined as the algebraic sum of all the vertical forces either to the right or to the left of a section. Now, the sign conventions for shear force. Shear force will be positive if the resultant of forces to the left of the section is upwards or to the right of the section is downwards. And if the resultant of forces to the left of the section is downwards or to the right of the section is upwards, the shear force will be negative. Now let's assume M be the resultant of all the movements about a point just to the left of the section XX and let this moment be in clockwise direction. For equilibrium, the resultant of all the movements about a point just to the right of the section XX has to be equal to M, but the direction of this resultant moment will be counterclockwise. This resultant moment is known as bending moment. Hence, bending moment is defined as the algebraic sum of all the movements either to the right or to the left of a section. Now, the sign conventions for bending moment. The bending moment at a section will be positive if it tends to bend the beam in a manner such that it can retain water on its curvature, that is concavity at the top as shown in figure. The positive bending moment is also known as sagging moment. Similarly, the bending moment at a section will be negative if it tends to bend the beam in a curvature having convexity at the top as shown in figure. The negative bending moment is also called as hogging moment. So this was all for today. For much more informative and interesting content, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Thank you.